Hindi pa man nagsisimula ang kampanya ng Gilas Pilipinas dito sa 37th Jones Cup ay malaking hamon na agad ang kanilang hinaharap dahil si Andre Blatch kinailangang umuwi muna sa Amerika.
We've been talking to Andre, and he's been talking to his family back home. And, you know, the situation there is very tough for him. His mother is all alone now. She lost her last sibling, and Andre's been taking care of her for the last 6 months. So, you know, it's a situation where he needed to go home for the funeral and be with her.
Maliban kina Ranedel de Ocampo at Mark Pingris na inaasahan ang babalik sa Gilas Pilipinas, ang mga PBA rookies na sila Moala Tautua at Troy Rosario ang inaasahang tutulong magpuno sa pagkawala ni Andre Blatch.
Kailangan namin mag-step up kung nangyari mo si Dre. Kailangan namin, liliit kami. So kailangan namin mag-step up ng mga bigs.
The Rascals!